Good morning to all of you. You are well aware that during this COVID-19 pandemic season, even against so many odds, the High Court, High Courts and Supreme Court, they are conducting the trial of the cases, particularly bail petitions, arguments, all these things through virtual or video conferencing mode. So whenever you file a bail petition, normally you will get the password and also the app Blue Jeans, and when the time comes, you have to argue or you have to submit your arguments right from your house or wherever you are, over the phone or over the laptop or over the iPad, whatever you think. But while disposing the CMP, that is Civil Miscellaneous Petition, number 380 by 2020, Justice Bishwanath Radh of Orissa High Court. So he has written or he has instructed the Bar Council of Odisha to guide the advocates of the Bar Association and also Bar Council of Odisha to maintain decency and decorum while participating in the virtual conference or video conference. Why? Because the court observed them speaking from the taxi or speaking from the car while on journey. Number 2, speaking from the garden. Number 3, speaking while eating. And number 4, allowing his wife to sit in the proceedings even in the middle of the proceedings, which do not seek the so-called decency and decorum. Friends, you must know what is decency. Decency means the behavior or the conduct in a proprietary way or proprietary, the standard of behavior. And decorum means, since you are an advocate, normally decoration or decorum means you must feel, you must have the standard etiquette. That means previously I have been telling you. Suppose if the Honorable District Judge or High Court Judge asks you to participate in a dinner in his bungalow, what do? Will you go with a t-shirt or chappals? No, you have to wear the celebrated dress, and with shoes only you have to go, even though it's a party. That is what is called decorum. That's why the degrees are decorated on you. Right? Since this decency and decorum must be maintained by all the advocates. This is only a letter from the High Court judge, but it has so many meanings. Friends, you understand, as advocates, we have to maintain the so-called decency and decorum. Right? Why this happened? Please remember, on 31/8/2020, while hearing the arguments on behalf of Order 1, Rule 10 of the CPC, in the CMP number 380/2020, the Honorable High Court Judge Bishwanath Radh observed that the advocate, he has presented his case from inside the vehicle, keeping it on the road. So the buzzing sounds of vehicles passing by, they have been heard, and of course the Honorable High Court Judge asked the advocate as to what was happening. For this, the advocate stated that, Your Honor, I have to attend a court at Puri. Therefore, I could not sit in my office at Cuttack, and I am submitting the arguments from the car itself. So, of course, the explanation is somewhat reasonable, but the decency, that is missing. So, therefore, of course, he said he is unable to argue the case from his residence due to the above reason. Right? The judge seriously condemned this in his order. He stated that during COVID-19 situation, so we have extended the arguing place. That means we are not conducting the physical court. We are conducting the virtual court. Thus, does not mean to say the place beyond the court premises means permitting one to argue from the vehicle, to argue from his garden, and also to argue from his drawing room, allowing his wife to join the proceedings. Right? So the counsel should argue keeping the minimum basic standards, and they have to maintain decency and decorum. For this, they have to argue either from their office, it's okay, or residence, it's okay, without the entrance of the inmates of the house, and also, if necessary, from a temporary residence which maintains the minimum decency. right? So now he has narrated his woes, his difficult timings. So he has stated that on one occasion in the recent past, the court has noticed, of course, it is a horrific or horrible experience for him. The advocate, after finishing his case, he brought his wife inside the video conference site and he was chit-chatting with her and he was explaining her the court proceedings. The court has informed him, Are Baba, it's not the proper way. But he did not hear. Ultimately, the court has to disconnect him. Right. Now coming to the second instant. The advocate is found arguing from his lawn or from his garden. Of course, the court asked him as to what happened, why he is arguing from the garden. He said, Your Honor, I could not get proper connection inside the house and therefore I am speaking from the garden. Then the Honorable Court asked him to go inside the house and they will check up. Yes, he has gone inside the house. The internet is working perfectly and therefore it worked well. Therefore, he was requested not to repeat the same in future. This second instance. And the third instance, this court also observed some counsel went on eating and despite requests, Are Baba, you are arguing, but still he is eating while the judges are discussing, and then despite the repeated request, he did not drop himself and the court has to disconnect him. So this is the situation. Friends, not only these observations by Orissa High Court, I want to tell you what happened in the previous case also regarding the Supreme Court. So of course, Supreme Court accepted the apology of an advocate who made appearance while lying on bed with a t-shirt. So actually, the petition was filed to recall some witness, but of course, because he was lying on the bed with a t-shirt, the court disconnected him. And of course, you may be knowing the senior advocate Rajiv Dhawan. He was found smoking while the virtual conference is going on. Of course, since his meeting was not there, normally he wanted to relax by puffing a cigarette. But this was noticed by the High Court and some other advocates also. So a social interested person, advocate himself, he filed a writ petition so to recall the senior designation of Rajiv Dhawan allegedly for smoking during the virtual conference or video conference proceedings. Right. And very recently I had a video about Justice Rajiv Mantra of Kolkata High Court. He initiated contempt proceedings against a lawyer for actually making his case in the LinkedIn social, that is a public platform, stating that he managed to get the favorable order in that Sunil Mittal case. It was taken as a contempt, and of course, since he apologized, it was also withdrawn. Right? Rajasthan High Court. Actually, they have to stop the proceedings when the advocate appeared with banyan. Therefore, friends, remember, only the extension of the court. That means in place of physical hearing, they have asked you to submit the arguments through video conferencing. While even during the video conferencing also, you must maintain the so-called decency and decorum. That's why I will be telling about the dress code, the formal code. Means at least you wear the white shirt. For that purpose, we have seen people wearing the white shirt, underneath a lungi will be there. Suddenly if you raise, then entire things will come out. Anyway, please remember, this is not a decency. As an advocate, you have to maintain decency and decorum and bring a good name to your profession as well as to the court also. This is what the court expects. So the letter from the Odisha High Court, definitely you have to take into consideration and please maintain the decency and decorum while addressing your arguments through video conferencing. Thank you.